Tired of those constant notifications from Zombie Tsunami? Or maybe you want to make sure you never miss a game update? Let me show you how to easily turn them on or off. Hey everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to turn on or turn off notifications of Zombie Tsunami. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, go to the settings of your phone. Here, tap on the apps option. From the list of apps, locate Zombie Tsunami. Once you're in the Zombie Tsunami app settings, tap on the notifications option. Here, in order to turn on or turn off notifications, you'll just have to tap on the toggle button of notifications option. And there you have it, an easy way to manage notifications for Zombie Tsunami. Thanks for watching Make Gaming Easy. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment down if you have any questions or feedback. And if you're new, subscribe and stay updated for the future videos.